Cover your mouth. Have I not raised you at all?
No, I don't feel good.
It doesn't feel good, other than your iPad cough.
My lips are chapped, my mouth is dry, and I'm hungry.
You're okay. You seem... Oh, actually...
Maybe if I have another cough drop, it'll help.
I had cough drops about 2 weeks ago. I can go... Wait, did you...
I already took 4, and I'm just tired, and Bluey looks really good.
Honey, did you eat the cough drops that were in my bathroom in the zippy bag?
Yeah, they're almost gone. I think if I have another